It's the middle of the night in Walmart, and somebody's got a lawnmower or something around here. Sometimes that will occur. Sometimes they have street sweeping cleaners that hit the parking lot, and it's worse than a drum solo for hours. Then they got landscapers. I know you can hear that because it's keeping me up. They got landscapers that come here at 2 in the morning. At 2 in the morning. This duck just came up to my car in Walmart. A wild duck out here. What the heck? Hold on a second. This duck for real? What? Avoid police. They don't care about you. It's their job to harass people, and if you don't stay low-key and you get arrogant, you might find yourself abused in some way by the system. Whether it's knocks on your windows, tickets, or being set up and arrested, or just told to leave wherever you are whenever they want to move your ass along. All this can be avoided 90% of the time. Don't be bumping your system, starting stuff with people, committing crimes, speeding, or obviously car camping, because that's a crime now too. No car camping in Florida, and many other places have little laws to abuse the homeless and poor. So you have to beware. Even the people with a lot of money, with expensive setups and solar panels and stuff, can get abused by the system. Best to stay low-key and let the system harass the obvious ones. If you remain unscathed and left alone, you are a level up. If you are gonna look obvious, car camping, that's okay too. You just have to do it in these specific places. Cracker Barrel. Very cool at every Cracker Barrel I've been to. I've had no issues. Campers there and everything. Some Walmarts, but only where you see overnight truckers or campers in the back area. Not just every Walmart, for real. Rest areas are ideal, but they can be loud, no shade, and a lot of lights. But 24 hours in restrooms, and the restrooms can double as a shower if you have like a rag, there's a sink there. Truck stops, they're loud, but same as rest areas. 24 hours and restrooms. Real showers too if you pay. If you drive in late at night and leave first thing in the morning, you got hotels. Residential, although those are high risk if Karen's walking her dog in the morning. A friend's driveway is always okay. Police can't say anything. There are other options like BLM land and camping spots, boat slips. So there really is no reason to be high profile and dealing with police all the time. My vehicle is visually low-key. The moment the front is seen, people tend to avoid me. When I'm passed on the freeway, some quickly slow down after they see me in the rear view. Also, people slow down when I approach from behind. This is good. I'm noticed and avoided. And upon a walk-up inspection, it isn't clear that I sleep inside. I keep everything black to a point. Some things aren't black, but could be, increasing ninja. I park with my vehicle plate in mind. I don't want it to be easy to see. So I back in a lot, which is good. That way I'm unseen, yet I see everything. It's true the window screens are an indicator that I'm probably inside the car. But no one is trying to look too hard. Police would notice right away, of course, but I only need screens if it's hot where I am. If I'm in a cooler climate, I'm basically full ninja. Wow, yeah. There's even a missile on that. There's even a missile on that. I wonder if these trees are naturally like this or if they were planted. And they sure know how to make it pretty. Sawgrass Lake Park. Beautiful pink flower. Oh my God. Ah. Uh-uh. Eh. Oh my lord. Okay, this was great. It was magnificent. I couldn't believe that there was a gator out here. When I was in Gainesville, I saw about 30 over somewhere, but I didn't get much of it, if any, on film at all. This is just one. I was hoping there'd be a lot more, but this is still awesome. Look at that. Nobody does stuff like this.
garlic bread, Swiss, and pepperoni grill.